Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'll be showing you some very exciting healthy snack ideas. These recipes are all super easy that anyone can make for the week and even make for those days that you're craving some things to eat, but you still want to watch what you eat. They are made with only fresh and natural ingredients, also vegan, gluten and lactose friendly. So let's get started by making some delicious homemade granola. This recipe is very simple. You will just need a cup of nuts and some seeds. Into a bowl, combine a 3/4 cup of almonds, a 3/4 cup of walnuts, and a 3/4 cup of pecans. You can also replace some of these nuts for others that you like, such as cashews and Brazilian nuts. Add 1 cup of sunflower seeds, 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1 cup of large oats, and 3/4 cup of shredded coconuts. Mix everything together using some gloves and add 150 grams of honey. You can mix it using a spatula, but using your hands really helps to combine everything better and coat all the ingredients with the honey. Add some salt to taste if you want. I really think that the salt gives your granola extra flavor and balance. Spread your granola over 2 trays with parchment paper. Make sure none of the pieces are on top of each other, so they bake evenly. Bake for 10 minutes. Take it out of the oven and move your pieces around so the center pieces move to the edges and the edge pieces move to the center. Place it back in the oven for 5 minutes more and repeat the process. Put back again and bake 5 minutes more until golden brown and the honey dries out. It will be about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool down completely on the tray before storing. Break down the big pieces and add some dried raisins or cranberries. I like to have 2 containers, one with raisins and another without. Many people don't love raisins. So for the granola snack jars, I have these little ones that I use to store it for the week. They're also really easy to bring to work or to the gym. You can adapt it however you need. Just add some granola, almond butter, blueberries or any fruit you like, and it's done. You can also use peanut butter if you like, coconut milk or yogurt, and any other fruits you like. And for sure, make the traditional one with some banana and peanut butter. And if you are just at home, make it in a bowl and enjoy. So for the almond chocolate energy bars, we need to melt a half a cup of dark chocolate, 72%. You can use even darker, like 75%. The darker the chocolate, the healthier. Add a half a teaspoon of coconut oil and set aside. Chop a half a cup of dried organic apricots. And blend it together with 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. If you want to add some honey for sweetness, add about 1 tablespoon. Combine with a 3/4 cup of quick oats. Add into a loaf pan or any tray that you can then cut into rectangles or squares. Add the chocolate on top and sprinkle some sea salt. Put in the fridge and let it set, and then cut. This snack is one of my favorites. You can store it and bring it anywhere. For the banana rolls, we need to make a thin and light crepe dough. Into a bowl, add 120 grams of whole wheat flour and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And you can also use some gluten-free flour mix if you need to make it gluten-free. Add 2 eggs and mix with half of the flour. 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil or any oil you have. Add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or honey. Gradually add 1 cup of almond milk until all incorporated. Spread some oil over a medium non-stick pan over a medium heat and pour the dough, about 1 ladle. Spread the dough making a round shape and cook both sides until nice and golden. Spread some peanut butter all over the crepe. Add 1 whole banana and roll it over, sealing well. Cut the rolls into pieces and serve with some cinnamon, granola, and honey drizzle. They can be kept in the fridge for up to 3 days. These snacks are insanely good, super simple and good for you too. They are so easy to add to your day, and their great taste makes it easier to enjoy these healthy alternatives. I hope you like these recipes and try them all. If you're new here and love amazing recipe videos, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!